What's going on YouTube? It's your boy KJ De Niro, and I got a cool review for y'all today. My lady just bought some new shoes, so I really wanted to show y'all these shoes and give a review on them. So you feel me? I'm just gonna show y'all. As you can see, we got an Air Jordan box. Now some of y'all may know what these are already. Some of y'all may not know. If you don't know, these are the Air Jordan 1 Taxis. Yes. Like I said, these just came out probably like 2 weeks ago. Now, at least. These clean as hell. Like, if you want a nice shoe, like a nice Jordan 1, nice colorway that you haven't seen before, that's gonna be hard to go with stuff, you should get these, honestly. The Taxi colorway is smooth as hell. This is probably one of the best colorways I've seen on a Jordan in a long time. But I'm not gonna lie though, Jordan brand have been doing a thing, especially with shoes they've been releasing. I don't know if y'all seen them Purple Forest that just came out. I'm gonna plug them in so y'all can know what I'm talking about. But them clean as hell too. But you feel me? These just a regular Jordan 1 with a Taxi yellow, black, you feel me, white of course. The box, this is the box. It says, you feel me, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Taxi Black Sail. This a USA men's 8.5, which is I think a 10, and ladies or women. This shoe cool as hell. I am gonna give y'all an on feet on them so y'all can see, you feel me, how they coming on feet. This has been the review of the Jordan 1 Taxi. Like I was saying, if you want a cool colorway, a cool shoe to get, you should get an Air Jordan 1. It don't really matter what colorway you get, you feel me? Because that's probably one of the most stylish shoes there is out there. This shoe clean as hell. I give it color and appearance and style. I would definitely give this shoe a 9 out of 10. This is one of the best and better colorways Jordan brand has released on the Jordan 1, and I'm most definitely excited, you feel me, about what's more to come. What other colorways can they put on the Jordan 1? And you know, every time it's gonna be a Jordan 1, so you know it's gonna sell out. These gonna be hard to get in stores, so you'll probably have to pay resale for them, unfortunately. But Nike said they was cutting down on it, so you may end up getting a pair of these, you feel me, next time around. Who knows, you feel me? Clean ass shoe. I want these for myself. That'll probably be the next shoe I get for real. What else I can say about this shoe? Smooth as hell. Don't go with everything, so you'll really have to look in your closet or buy something to go with this, because you feel me, go with this type of yellow, I'd say. I got more videos on the way, more content on the way, man. Like I said, we just gonna go up from here. Everything, you feel me, everything we do most definitely gonna be up, because if it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. That's what Cardi B said. But you feel me, I appreciate all the love, you feel me, like, share, subscribe, and you feel me, it's been one. All right, y'all.